this video, I'll show you how to purchase, activate, and use LokiProxy in two different ways, directly through the website and through the desktop application. We will also add the proxy to a browser profile and check that the connection is working correctly. First, open Proxy Universe and select LokiProxy from the residential proxy catalog. Choose the required number of IP addresses and complete the purchase. After the payment is completed, open your order history. Here, you can copy your activation key and use the provided link to open the LokiProxy dashboard. Inside the LokiProxy dashboard, open the short-term residential IPS section. Find the CD key activation field, paste your activation key, and click Redeem. After successful activation, the purchased IP balance will appear in your account. Now, let's look at the first setup method, using the LokiProxy website. Select username and password authentication. Next, choose the required country. Depending on availability, you may also select a specific state or city. After choosing the location, select one of the available IP addresses and click Extract. The selected IP will be added to your 24-hour proxy list. You will see the proxy address, port, username, password, location, and expiration time. Now, copy the proxy connection details. In this example, I'm using Dolphin Ante, but you can use the same proxy with most browsers and applications that support proxy connections. Open Dolphin Ante and create a new browser profile. Go to the proxy settings and select HTTP as the connection protocol. Paste the proxy host, port, username, and password into the appropriate fields. Then click the connection check button. If the proxy is working correctly, save the profile and launch it. After the browser opens, visit an IP checking website. Here you can confirm that the browser is using the selected proxy IP address. Check the displayed country, city, and internet provider. They should match the location selected in the LokiProxy dashboard. Now, let's configure LokiProxy using the desktop application. Open the LokiProxy application and go to the IP pool section. Your available IP balance should be synchronized with your LokiProxy account. Select the country you want to use. If necessary, you can also choose a specific state or city. Click Search to view the available IP addresses. Choose a suitable IP and start port forwarding. The LokiProxy application will create a local IP address and port for the selected proxy connection. Open the Forward section. Make sure the connection status is displayed as listening. The application must remain open while you are using this proxy connection. Now, return to Dolphin Ante and create another browser profile. Open the proxy settings. This time, select SOX5 as the connection protocol. Enter the local IP address and port, shown inside the LokiProxy application. A username and password are usually not required for the local forwarded connection. Click the connection check button. If the test is successful, save the profile and launch it. Open an IP checking website again. The displayed country, city, IP address, and internet provider should match the proxy selected inside the LokiProxy application. That's it. You can now use LokiProxy in two different ways. The first method is a direct proxy connection created through the LokiProxy website. The second method uses the LokiProxy desktop application and a local forwarded port. You can purchase LokiProxy packages through Proxy Universe. All useful links are available in the video description. Thank you for watching.